Welcome to AK Instant Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us discuss about basic proportionality theorem. We can also call it as B.P.T. Students, what is basic proportionality theorem? Consider a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. As we know that a triangle, it has three sides. Here we have AB, BC and CA. Three sides. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. See children, this is the line. DE is a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, that is BC. As we have three sides, AB, AC and as well as BC. We have three sides. So DE is a line which is parallel to BC. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. So that is the definition. We can also call it as statement. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. That is the statement of a basic proportionality theorem. Children, so DE is a line which is parallel to BC. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will divide the other two sides. What are the other two sides here? AB is one side and as well as AC is another side. It will divide the other two sides. Other two sides are AB and AC in the same ratio. I mean, we need to prove that. What we need to prove? To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That we have to prove. So children, what is given? Given triangle ABC in which DE is parallel to BC. Given line DE is parallel to BC and we need to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That is called basic proportionality theorem. Okay, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. That is basic proportionality theorem. For example, they may ask applications based on basic proportionality theorem, most of the important questions. So for example, let us consider length of AD is equal to 1.5 centimeter, AD equal to 1.5 centimeter and BD equal to 3 centimeter and AE equal to 1 centimeter. Find EC. They may ask questions like this. What is given, children? Given AD is 1.5, DB equal to 3 centimeter, AE equal to 3 centimeter. They are asking to find what is the value of EC. Children, as we know that by using BPT, what is BPT, children? As we know that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What is AD, children? Given the length of AD is 1.5 centimeter and the length of DB is 3 centimeter is equal to, And what is the length of AE? Length of AE is 1 centimeter, and they are asking to find out the value of EC, right? Yes. Now what you do, children? Here actually after decimal point we have one digit, so let us multiply into 10. Once if we multiply to the numerator, at the same time we need to multiply to the denominator also. I mean 1.5 into 10, 15, by 3 into 10, 30 is equal to 1 by EC. As 15 table, 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, I mean 1 by 2 equal to 1 by EC. So cross multiplication, EC into 1, EC equal to 2 into 1, 2 children. So what is the length of EC, children? Length of EC equal to 2 centimeters. Okay, they may ask questions like this. Okay, remember children, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. That is basic proportionality theorem. Now let us discuss about what is the C.B.P.T. I mean converse of basic proportionality theorem. Children, let us discuss C.B.P.T. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. See children, consider a triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC, and D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB, and E is the midpoint of AC. E is the midpoint of AC. See children, here DE is a line. DE is a line. If a line divides two sides, that is AB and AC in the same ratio, if a line divides two sides in the same ratio, then that line must be parallel to the third side. It is exactly opposite to basic proportionality theorem, children. What is that? If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Now let us see, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, I mean here given is what, children? Given AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What is given? AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Then what we need to prove? We need to prove DE must be parallel to BC. That is C.B.P.T. So what is the difference between basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem? In basic proportionality theorem, in BPT, to prove becomes given and given becomes to prove, right? AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Yes or no, children? In basic proportionality theorem, they said DE is parallel to BC, then we need to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Whereas in converse of basic proportionality theorem, given is AD by DB equal to AE by EC, then we need to say that DE is parallel to BC. Children, for example, consider length of AD equal to 4 centimeter BD equal to suppose 4.5 centimeter and AE equal to 8 centimeter and EC equal to 9 centimeter. State whether DE is parallel to BC or not. As we know that by C.B.P.T, AD by DB equal to AE by EC, then we can say that DE is parallel to BC, right? So children, what is the length of AD? AD value 4 and DB value 4.5 is equal to AE value 8 and EC value is 9, children. So as we after point we have one digit, I mean into 10, 4 into 10, 4 10s are 40, 4.5 into 10, that is 45, is equal to 8 by 9. So 5 table, 5 8s are 5 9s are. I mean 8 by 9 is equal to 8 by 9. Children, AD by DB equal to AE by EC, hence therefore DE is parallel to BC. So this is called converse of basic proportionality theorem. Both the theorems exactly opposite to each other. Given becomes to prove becomes given. Children, I hope you understood the difference between basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you, children. If you like, you please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.